Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5. Our first pick is STARTWO Outdoor Patio Furniture Cover Waterproof. Designed to fit chairs, 32 inches. A Loveseat, 56 inches, and a coffee table, 45 inches. This heavy-duty 500D black cover provides excellent protection against rain, snow, dust, and UV rays. The built-in air vents prevent moisture buildup and condensation, reducing the risk of mold and mildew inside the covers. This set includes 4 individual covers tailored for chairs, a Loveseat, and a coffee table, ensuring a snug and secure fit for each piece. With reinforced handles, you can quickly cover or remove the covers without hassle. The lightweight yet sturdy material makes handling simple. Each cover comes with adjustable straps and buckles, which help keep it securely in place, even in strong winds. No more worrying about covers blowing away during a storm. Thanks to its PU coating and waterproof design, this cover effectively repels rain and snow, preventing water from seeping through and damaging your furniture. Number 2 in this best garden furniture covers list is Ruimoy Patio Furniture Covers. The Ruimoy Patio Furniture Cover is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to protect their outdoor furniture from harsh weather conditions. Its heavy-duty 600D fabric, waterproof design, and secure fit make it one of the best covers for outdoor tables and chairs. If you want long-lasting, all-season protection, this cover is a must-have. The adjustable straps, buckles, and elastic drawstring ensure the cover fits snugly around your furniture, even in windy conditions. With 108 inches in length, 82 inches in width, and 27.9 inches in height, this cover fits most outdoor dining sets, sectional sofas, and patio tables with chairs. The cover is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to put on and remove. It also folds compactly for convenient storage when not in use. Built-in air vents allow airflow, which helps reduce condensation and prevents mold or mildew from forming. With its PU-coated waterproof lining, this cover prevents rainwater from seeping through, protecting your furniture from water damage, rust, and mold. The Ruimoy furniture cover is made from thick, tear-resistant 600D Oxford fabric, which is stronger and more durable than many standard patio covers. Strong winds can blow covers away, but Ruimoy prevents that with adjustable buckles and a drawstring hem that securely hold the cover in place. The UV-resistant coating helps prevent fading, cracking, and damage caused by sun exposure. Our third choice is Vailge 2-seater heavy-duty patio bench Loveseat cover. The Vailge 2-seater heavy-duty patio bench Loveseat cover is a high-quality 100% waterproof furniture cover designed to shield your patio furniture from rain, snow, UV rays, dirt, and debris. The neutral beige and brown color scheme blends well with most outdoor settings, giving it a sleek and stylish look. The cover is designed for hassle-free use, making it simple to cover and uncover your Loveseat whenever needed. A key feature is the built-in air vent, which allows airflow and prevents condensation buildup, reducing the risk of mold and mildew growth. This small standard size is designed to fit most two-seater outdoor love seats, benches, and small patio sofas. Be sure to measure your furniture before purchasing to ensure a proper fit. Fourth pick in this best garden furniture covers list is Mrrihand Heavy Duty Patio Furniture Covers. The Mrrihand Heavy Duty Patio Furniture Cover is a high-quality, durable solution for protecting your outdoor furniture from harsh weather conditions. Its waterproof, UV-resistant, and windproof design, along with its secure fit and breathable air vents, makes it a must-have for anyone looking to keep their patio set in top shape. A common issue with waterproof covers is moisture buildup underneath, leading to mold and mildew. The Mrrihand cover includes built-in air vents to allow airflow, reducing condensation and preventing musty odors. With dimensions of 89.7 inches long by 62.2 inches wide by 28.3 inches high, this cover is spacious enough to fit a variety of outdoor furniture arrangements, including L-shaped sectional sofas, patio dining sets, and lounge chairs. The cover is lightweight, yet sturdy, making it easy to put on and remove when needed. When not in use, it can be folded compactly for convenient storage. Our fifth and last choice is CKCLUU Patio Furniture Set Cover. If you want to keep your outdoor furniture safe from rain, snow, sun, and dust, the CKCLUU Patio Furniture Cover is a durable and practical choice. Designed to fit large sectional sofa sets, patio dining sets, and outdoor tables and chairs, this cover provides comprehensive weather protection while maintaining breathability to prevent mold and mildew buildup. The CKCLUU cover is made from high-quality 420 denier Oxford fabric with a water-resistant coating, offering excellent protection against rain, snow, and moisture. While it's not fully waterproof, it effectively repels water to keep your furniture dry in most weather conditions. Dust and debris can quickly accumulate on outdoor furniture, but this cover keeps everything clean. It also includes adjustable straps and buckles to ensure a secure, windproof fit, preventing it from blowing away in strong winds. With dimensions of 315 centimeters long by 160 centimeters wide by 74 centimeters high, this cover is spacious enough to fit large outdoor sectional sofas, patio tables, and chair sets.